Oh my god. Guys, you don't understand how fucking excited I am. Oh, thanks to you guys, the subscribers. I love you guys so much. We were finally able to reach 2 million subscribers.
It's actually 2,000.
I thought it was 2 million.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you know, still, we were able to reach 2 million or
2,000.
Anyways, who gives a fuck? But thanks to you guys, the subscribers, my fans who supported me through day one. You guys done changed my life. I was able to, you know, to move out, you know, move in my own apartment, and just to you guys, I thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. I was finally able to get my dream car. Worked so hard, finally able to get my dream car. I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm so excited to show you guys. Right there is my new car. No, right here. Right there. Go down a little bit. Right. Bruh.
Yo, whose man's is this?
You guys are looking at my new whip that I was able to just buy. This is a 2014 Cadillac Almiraja.
Hey, yeah. Feel me? I had to hop in a different booth on these niggas. Yeah. Hey.
I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. I just saw it and I told the dealership, hey, I want this shit. So I signed the papers, and I was able to get my own car, guys. You don't understand how excited I am. Not only were we able to get one car, we were able to get two cars. We were able to get two fucking cars. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just right over there. Go down a little. Go down. We were able to get two cars. This is the 2014 Jeep Wrangler you are looking at right here.
That bitch one problem, my trap is fucking fake, put that in the dirt. Yeah. All that fucking talking will get you marked. Yeah. Run up on me, pussy, you will get marked. I'm coming.
Monday through Friday and shit like that, and then go over there, bam, I got my weekend car right up in the club, you know, getting some bitches, a fucking two-door. This is amazing, life-changing. Thank you guys so fucking much.